So cute. Yeah. Mindful lips.
No.
Oh.
Oh, just a good boy.
No. 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 Eat. You want to try it?
Oh, he's already sitting. Sit.
So he knows that he'll be told to sit, so he does it automatically.
What do you say to get him to hold your hand?
What?
So go like this?
Yeah, just say hello.
Oh, he's the cutest.
So basically the farm was a beautiful, wonderful place, and I cried a lot when we left, and we were there for like 5 days, and yeah, I've made connections. There really aren't words for it. We had like incredible moments. I have so many more aunties and grandmas and cousins now, and I'll be back there, and they have to come visit the US. And I didn't really take any pictures or videos while we were there because there were like photographers and videographers there, and because I was busy doing wedding things, and because I was also, you know, sick and hacking up my intestines at one point.
And most importantly, being with the people there.
Yeah. Best ever. That's pretty much all I need to know.
Shout out
Not
to the
gonna
bros.
focus. Shout out to every bro
Oh yeah, all
that
the
ever
bros.
broed.
But shout out to the
on the
OG
farm.
bros. Real one.
I miss the bros.
I miss the bros.
I miss. Oh my god! Oh my god! No, I missed it. No.
That was amazing.
Tell me what just happened. Tell me what just happened. Tell me what just happened.
So we found this beautiful moth butterfly bug thing on this chair, and I was taking pictures of it because it was so pretty. And then it flew in here, was flapping its wings, getting ready to fly because it was so pretty. And then a demon bird came down from the skies, and the moth started flying, and we watched it go that way, and the bird swoops up, and then
You were like, oh, is it gonna fly? Is it gonna fly? Oh, look, it's flying. It's so beautiful. It was like impressed with excitement when it snapped. How's the mango, Dad?
Good.
so good. Try it.
Alright. I'm sucked.
टॉयलेट बनाए सवा लाख टॉयलेट
So she got these necklaces, and they're made from tulsi beads and
Tulsi beads?
sandalwood.
Oh.
And so she wants to pass them out to all of you guys. So you guys are okay with that? Okay. She's like, you pick one.
Did you get it? Yes.
Oh my God, you guys.
Yes, a painting me.
I was surprised you got it close to my wrist.
Wait, is it a necklace?
Yeah.
Perfect, देखा?
Thank you.
बिल्कुल ठीक है, सभी ला पूरे, देखा? Okay, start again. You ready?
Okay, ready.
Okay, Kumar's saying grocery list. As of the bride and groom, mostly the groom. Salty, sweet, light food snacks. Masala creesps. More cheeps. Ooh, what about soda? Coca-Cola. Maybe spicy cheeps. Salt and vinegar cheeps. Ice cream for the birthday girl. All the cheeps, all the creesps.
Success. So my question, if you do guava juice and what's fizzy water,
For April.
does it make, yeah, does that make guava soda?
She had it right here.
Really tall.
And this used to be the original firewood stove. My mom used to sit right there and cook. And my brother and I had the best spot. We would sit right here and have her cook for us.
Say what?
Okay. So here's Aju making special mutton. So
It's like a hobbit hole.
it's called a bardu. Making it on this right
What?
here. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
Oh my goodness.
So it's gonna like create this sear in it. So they took me to the store. Okay, when I come by, we'll show you the store. Let me show you the trick over here. Watch your head coming in, okay? So come on back here, and this is now converted into like storage. And look at all the garlic that's hanging up. So this is all stuff my mom, Amu, has hung up for us.
That's so beautiful.
Wow.
And because when the weather would get really bad, there's connectivity. This would open into the room over here where we sat yesterday for gifts.
Ah, yeah.
We have trapdoors, so every room is connected. We have trap doors that take you down, and you can literally interweave through every room in the house.
Did you use the trapdoors? That's so cool.
Have you ever like play?
Yeah, we used to play. Yeah, we totally play with it.
Because it's too cold to go outside.
It was too cold to go outside because we used to get snow drifts.
Yeah.
Everybody stayed inside and kept it warm because it's all cob, so it kept everything really warm.
What's cob?
And then upstairs we have 3 more rooms upstairs.
Mud made out of
And
natural
the stairs
mud.
take you up, but we can't go up because
Straw
their temple is
and
upstairs. So we're not allowed upstairs.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, it's underneath the peak of the roof.
Yes, it's underneath the peak of the roof. And then when we used to have a lot of people and parties, the kids then would be sent upstairs to go sleep. And it's called the dark upstairs. And Lauren's been up there, right? You've been up in the puja room up there? Yeah. You have to like crawl in there. So, and our grinder for our grinding our wheat is upstairs.
Oh.
Yeah. So this is where everything
Wow.
gets stored for cold storage.
Really cool.
Yeah.
Should we file out?
What's in the cabinets here?
Almari de kaya tare. They've got clothes, they've got all kinds of things. Saris and yeah.
You'll eat the bugs for us, right? You'll eat the roaches.
The kitty cat would take care of it.
Madeline, cupboard under the stairs. Look at the staircase. Cupboard under the stairs.
Ah, yeah. Oh, there's so much space in there.
Not enough for Harry Potter.
The cat went in.
Harry Potter. And then that Jesse, that door will take to the middle room.
Harry got the
Yeah. And everything's connected.
Wow.
That's so cool.
Construction. Well planned.
Well, you know, it's interesting because it started with one room because everyone stayed in one room, and then as the family got bigger, rooms were then added on. So our kitchen originally was upstairs because all kitchens are upstairs. So I got the belle. So our kitchen was upstairs.
It's so warm here.
Thank you. Daniva.
Watch your head going out. Watch your head.
Oh, cool, Marcia.
Oh, come on, John. This is our original cold storage.
Vivian, I heard you had a pain. Yeah, right where?
My sister.
Oh, and what did Uncle Lauren call it?
Poo baby.
He said it's just a poo baby.
Okay.
She just cracks me up.
Oh, and then she went all the way in real quick.
This got whacked. Yeah.
Oh, that felt good. Hi, everybody. Pool party.
We're gonna stay cool on the bus.
Okay. Okay. Give us a little time. You ring the bell. All right.
Kika?
Thank you, Jesse.
Somebody.
Very happy you were here.
Started. All right, John, we'll see you in Delhi. We'll see you in Delhi. Behave.
Mama!
I'm sorry, not to. No fear.
Frederick's name? I think it's Ronnie. Oh, yes. This is soda water?
Bye.
Say bye to the farm, Carolyn. Shoot, I don't want to say goodbye to the farm.